Hi guys, welcome back to 75Dually Garage. My name's Chris. I wanted to thank all my new subscribers, and I know your time is very valuable, and I appreciate that you have taken the time to subscribe to my channel. We're going to be doing a lot of really cool things here in the future, so please stay tuned for that. We also have a new toy today. We have a new SJ cam. It's an SJ6 Legend. We're going to be playing with that over the next couple weeks and months. So look forward to seeing some footage on that. I apologize for all the wind noise in the background today. This is Lubbock, however, and it's one of the things you got to put up with when you live out here. We're getting ready for a show this weekend. It's at the O'Reilly Parts Distribution Center here in Lubbock. I'm going to be taking the 75Dually. And if you're in the area, please come out. It's a really good show, has some really good high quality cars and trucks out, and as well it has a great swap meet. So I look forward to seeing you. If you come out, come over, say hello, introduce yourself, and we'll be doing some video of the show and the trucks and cars that come out to it. And so I look forward to putting that video out here real soon. So again, I want to thank my new subscribers for tuning into my channel. One of the things I'd like to ask you is pass this on to your friends of yours that like fabrication, cars, trucks, hot rods, and the like. Do me a favor, let them know about the channel as well. If you're new to the channel and you're just tuning in for the first time, hit that little subscribe button below and the bell right next to it. That'll give you notification of future videos. One other thing, do me a favor, give me a like if you like this video. If you have comments that you would like to leave below, go ahead. I read every one of them. And again, I appreciate your time. Have a good weekend.